Okay,
five,
okay.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3.
Hey! This is how I know Nisha Yen is an awesome dance teacher, because I learned it in less than 10 seconds. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello, hello. Hello. How are you, beautiful?
I'm doing very well.
Listen, I think we should have International Women's Day maybe once per month so that we can do this.
Yes, we are never together on the show. You guys noticed that the first time in such a long time.
First element of gender inequality. The guys get to link up all the time.
Because the men are together all the time. Hi.
Welcome to Daytime Live, everybody. It's Friday and it is International Women's Day.
It is indeed. So speaking of International Women's Day, Sanique.
Yes, baby?
How are you?
I'm wonderful.
Yeah, I see
I'm
that.
wonderful and I'm excited.
What are you excited about?
I'm excited because we're doing...
We are? Like what, for example? So here is the thing. Actually, we are, like you were just about to say, we are working out a lot together because we are on a whole body transformation thing. You know what I'm saying? So Sanique and I are doing this awesome thing where for the whole month of March, we are going to be drinking 2 liters of water every day. We're going to ensure we have breakfast because Nisha Yen Jones never have breakfast. Do you know what I mean? Never have breakfast. So Sanique is like, you have to have breakfast. So I'm going to be eating breakfast all the time. And also what I am going to be doing as well is for lunch, we're going to have a salad. And for dinner, we are going to have a salad and a shake. So that is Sanique and I plan for the whole month of March. It's going to be pretty awesome. So we started that on the 1st of March. We're going to continue until, March is finished. So we decided to do that because obviously it's International Women's Day, right? So, guys, do not forget to connect with us on our social media pages. So on Instagram and Twitter, our handle is @TVJ_Daytime Live. But on Facebook, it's a little bit different. The handle for that is TVJ Daytime Live. And also, if you want to be a part of our studio audience, yes, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed. Or if you don't want to do all that, you guys can just come on by. And the other thing is, Sanique mentioned earlier that we have all these men doing these great shows together. You guys can catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com. Is that right, Sanique? I'm just filling space, onespotmedia.com, or guys, you can also search for us on YouTube, TVJ Daytime Live. Just search for that, and all is well. Sanique.
I love it that you're talking.
How do I talk for 10 minutes straight? I'm just talking.
You just, girl, high five, girl power.
For you guys at home wondering why I'm talking so much, why not? Sanique has a microphone and we're buzzing. So now that Sanique can talk, let's get buzzing.
All right, so this is a conversation that's on the minds, the lips of everybody, I think, since yesterday. I love these two words together.
What's that?
Tax cuts.
Ooh, yes. Yes.
Love it.
That's so sexy.
Yeah,
I love it. I love it. I don't like those words apart.
No, but together. Tax cuts. And this is coming from the budget debate for 2019. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced that we're going to have some adjustments and, some abolition in taxes. And when he opened this debate, he spoke about the minimum business tax being abolished by April 1.
Wow.
So the minimum business tax right now is like $60,000 per year, regardless of what level of business you're in. So if you're small, if you're micro, you have to pay this $60,000 every year. But what if your business isn't making any money?
Yeah,
where are you going to get this $60,000?
Where businesses are not profitable.
We're going to get rid of that.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
Then the GCT threshold, we're moving it from 3 million to, guess, $10 million. I love it. I don't have to worry about Oh my goodness, I was so stressed before hearing this. I'm so happy for that.
Yeah.
Then stamp duty. What's going to happen with stamp duty?
Well,
Aren't you excited?
what is going to happen with the stamp duty?
Stamp duty
Tell me,
changes are coming for stamp duty. I think we're going to have just a flat fee of $5,000, which of course will affect at some point like the mortgages and how it is that we deal with purchasing property. All of that is going to be exciting because I know Joel is looking for a house right now. So Joel will truly benefit.
Yes.
And then transfer tax for land will move from 5% to 2%. That's a big jump too.
That's a big jump.
That's a big jump.
A big
That's
fall,
exciting.
rather. That's really
Listen,
good.
listen.
Yeah.
So I love those two words, tax cuts. But of course, if you want more information, just keep watching Television Jamaica because we will continue to give you more info because we have to continue the debates come next week because you know you have to hear from the opposition and then finally we'll know what's going to happen for April 1. So I'm quite excited.
I'm excited
Tax
about
cuts.
that. And the thing that
I
I
like my
love-
government, you know.
You love your government.
I love my government.
She loves her government. That's amazing. But the thing that I love about that the most is, like you said, the 5% to 2%.
Yes.
Because you know when you're buying and selling a house, it becomes quite expensive
Yeah,
just in the
man.
fees that you have to
Yeah,
pay.
man.
So the oh my
Yeah,
goodness, I'm excited about that.
I love that.
I'm excited about that. So here it is. You all know that the theme, I don't know if you know, but the theme for International Women's Day is Think Equal, Build Smart, Innovate for Change. It puts
Say that
innovation.
again, say that again.
Say it again. Say it again. Say it again, Sonique says. Think equal, build smart, innovate for change.
That's right.
Hey! It puts innovation by women and girls at the heart of the efforts to achieve gender equality. Now, the International Labour Organization, the ILO, has found that Jamaica has the highest proportion of women managers globally, ahead of countries like, for example, United States, the United Kingdom. So basically, we are far ahead in terms of gender equality than most other countries.
We have, you know, some ways to go still with some things.
Some things.
But I really feel as if, okay, here you are. You're ready to talk about
I'm
some
ready
things.
to talk about it. I'm
Tell
ready.
me one of the things, Nisha Yen.
Well, for example, as you know, abortions are illegal here in Jamaica, and I have a problem with that.
Okay,
I have
why?
a problem with that because I feel like a woman has the right to decide certain things about her body. It should be her right. I don't think anyone else should be allowed to pass a law as to whether or not she can.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that for me is a sign of the archaic thinking that we still have floating around, and also the patriarchal system that we still have floating around. I'm not a fan of that.
I
you know?
remember reading something some time ago about how we, not just Jamaica, but there was a time when abortion internationally was illegal, how they got to that place. Because years ago when abortion started, we didn't have the technology and the medicine that we have now.
Right.
And most, if not all of the women died.
Yes.
So to prevent that from happening, they just came up with this law to say, you know
You
what?
know what? You're not allowed to.
Yeah,
do it
you're not
anymore.
allowed.
And
But
anyone found practicing it,
yes,
will face
exactly,
you know,
because
severe
you end up causing a mortality rate. So from here, what has happened is with a lot of laws, we have evolved, we've grown, but the laws have not changed to actually balance with where we are now in the present. So I think eventually, based on where we're going, they might actually take a look at that again, because there's a lot of argument now to say, hey, we can do it. We have the
Especially
medicine,
because,
we
like
have the
you said,
resources.
That's why we did it. So now let's change the reason.
They're gonna
But I
change
think the
it.
fact that it's still, because a couple of years ago, it was actually brought up again for conversation, and it was shut down once again.
It's
So
all right. Just wait, man.
I am
Just
like,
wait. No, just wait. It's going to change. A lot of things are going to change. Watch and see. Watch and
Change
see.
is gonna
Change is
come.
coming. But another element of the argument, Nisha, and we're talking about equality versus same. So a lot of men think that we are trying to say that women are the same as men, which is not what we are saying.
No.
We're saying that women should have equal opportunities
We're
to
saying
choose.
we're equal, we're not the
yes.
same.
We're
Yes.
equal,
Yeah.
but we're not the same.
Right.
Would you like a man to open the door for you?
Absolutely.
Like a car door?
Absolutely.
You still want
That's
that?
the way to my heart.
Yeah?
Open a door. I'm just saying. you
Only
know?
here? That's the way to Nisha use heart. Open
Doesn't
the door
take much,
for
people.
her.
No, but it's true.
So she said,
It's
"No,
true.
go away."
Because I've had a conversation with a lot of guys saying that they don't know what women want anymore. It's
Okay.
like they don't understand what is equality. They're like, oh, so you want to pay for dinner? Oh, so you want? It's like, no. You guys, you're not getting it. You're not hearing what we're saying. What we're saying is that you and I are equal. If we're both lawyers, we're both lawyers. We should get paid the same for
Yes.
the roles that we're doing. We're not, however, saying that all of a sudden anyone can have a child and anyone. No, no, no. I'm a woman.
No, the women.
You're a guy.
Yeah.
We're different.
Women
We're
have
not
the
the
children,
same.
not the men
We're
have the
just
children.
equal.
Listen to me now. Here's another thing. Do you know how to change a car tire? I know how to change
Very
a flat,
much.
but I don't want to do it.
Don't want to do
I
it.
don't want to change a
Want to do
flat.
it. Do you know how to talk to the mechanic?
I don't
You
want
know how
to
to
do
talk
it
to the
though.
mechanic.
Yeah, but I don't
want to
want
talk
to
to
do
the
it.
mechanic, honey.
You talk to
You
the
talk
mechanic.
to
I don't
him.
even want to see the mechanic. I don't want to take the car to the mechanic.
Do you know how to wash your car?
Yeah, but I don't
Don't
want to
to.
do it. I want him to do it.
But he
for
might be
me,
like,
and
we're
he better
equal.
do it
You
good
go.
too.
We don't want to do it, honey.
We don't
Just
want to
saying.
do it. But open the car door for me. Open the door from there. Some women though who go, you know what? I can open the door for myself. Feminism, woman power. That's not what it's about. That's not what it's about.
I hear you.
I hear it. High five.
High
Yes.
five.
All right.
Speaking of which, we're going. That was really bad. We look like girls. Oh gosh, we're missing. Okay, guys. Daytime live women's shout outs. Do you
Only
have
females. Only females. Yes, I have a
Only
couple. So I want to
females.
shout out from Wendy's Ligani. They're always taking such good care of me. They're all females. Olivia and Kerry from Wendy's in Ligani. And then I want to just big up all the people in Tasha's Nails. All women. Shorty. You know, a little bit, but yeah. And Simone and Tasha, thank you so much for taking care of me week after week. And of course, we have the Facebook shout outs, and it's all female. So, guys, just it's one day per year. Just bear with us, yeah?
Beautiful. Naomi Brown says, good morning. Love Uno. You see, happy Women's Day to all the women's them. Monique,
Women's
Donna,
them.
women's them. Munshi, my daughter, Nikki. Yeah, bless. That's from Naomi Brown. And Kelani Mai says, want to leave a daytime shout out to my friend Risha and my sister Kamisha, who lost her father-in-law on Wednesday. So sad to hear
Sorry
that.
about that.
You have one,
And then,
Sunny?
yes, so we have Cushy Chin, right? Cushy says, big up to Stacey L, Robinson Panton, and Garci and White, and Pauline Chin, and all the ladies bless up on International Women's Day. No, somebody tried to sneak in. This is a male. I'm not, we're going to move over that one, Anthony, sorry. But we have Mishka Douglas, who says, shout out to Miss Lucy, my mother-in-law. Shout out to my mom, Miss Enna. Happy International Women's Day, everyone. Woman power, and shout out.
And I have to say, birthday shout out for Jordan Minot from New Forest in Manchester. Shout out from Uncle Garnet. You're watching Daytime Live, and we'll be joined by a truly inspiring woman. We'll be right back. Woman. Woman.
Right after
Come
the break,
back after the
after the
break.
break.
Is it one? Is it two? Is it three? We'll find out after the break.